Bryce Henderson here, Realtor to the Dogs. If you like before and after pictures, you're gonna love this video. This is a house that we're just gonna be starting on tomorrow. The client inherited the house. He's an elderly man on a fixed income, and the house needed a lot of work. He did not have any money to fix it up. It's been sitting here for about 6 months. He got offered about $220 from an investor to buy the house, and fortunately he turned that down. We're going to put about $18,000 into material and labor here, and we're hoping to be able to get about $285, $290. So stay tuned, I'll let you know how it ends up. But in the meantime, I'll show you what the house looks like right now, and then I'll show you the after pictures as well, so you can see what we do. Again, my client doesn't have any money to do any of this work right now. We're going to fix it up for him using our money, our labor, and then when we sell the house, he's just going to reimburse us for the cost we put into it. So for $18,000, he's going to get about 3 times much back. Let's go take a look. Don't sell your house to a flipper and get screwed. Come to us, we'll flip your house for you. You'll make more money, you'll sell your house faster, and you're gonna feel a whole lot better about the transaction when you got that big check in the bank. So again, hit me up if you have any questions about real estate or your house. Bryce Henderson, Realtor to the Dogs, Custom Fit, Keller Williams, Southern Nevada.